You're watching Nestle TV. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I quickly install and melt down this unit that I got from Wet Kiss, and also I will be unboxing it for you guys to show you what came in the package. In this cute little white and pink box I received is, of course, the hair. I got a pack of wig caps. It comes with 2 inside it. I also received an elastic band for the hair. I don't really use that, but okay. And a little silk bag that I can store this wig in when I'm not using it. I thought that was pretty cool. So I purchased this hair in the length 22 inches. This lace front is a 13 by 4. It came already pre-plucked with 3 combs and an elastic band in the back. This unit is in the color 1B/99J, and in the beginning stages it was very, very silky. We'll talk more about that. So as I show you guys how I install this unit, prepare it and install it, I'll tell you guys how I feel about it. Truthfully, I only wore this hair for about a month. I went to Kenya on vacation with this hair, and truth to be told, after the first week I was already over it. It shed insanely, like it shed so much, and I couldn't really go out with it down because I didn't feel comfortable enough because it shed so much and it just matted up so quickly. So that was not it for me. But in the beginning, first couple of days, first week, like, it was perfect. Here I'm cutting off the excess lace around my ear so that it can fit my head perfectly. Most wigs that I get don't really actually fit my head. They're usually way too big. My head is kind of small, so that's a problem that I always have, unless I make my own. This unit was super easy to straighten, super easy to curl, but even after washing it a couple times, the tangling and the shedding was just too much. I am using Got To Be. This stuff actually works for me. For this part, just be sure to wipe off your oils from that area. And to be honest, I really like this method. Other people like other methods, but this works for me. My lace sometimes stay on for like 3 days, and I'd be good with that. And sometimes I like to take out my hair at the end of the day because I'd be so tired. But yeah. I'm using both ends of this pintail comb to help melt down the lace. I just like it because it helps with, you know, the edges so that it's not lifting at the ends. See that melt? Yeah. While I'm blow drying, I'm lifting a little bit, then spraying some more, and I'm using the cold setting until that glue or spray is fully dry. Then I use the hot setting to melt it even more. Here I'm just going in with a brush and my finishing powder just to blend out that lace color in my face, and that melt is nicely done. If you want to go further and add on some baby hairs, that's totally up to you, but that is it for this video, and as always, thanks for watching. And please be sure to check out my Instagram at Nestle TV and look out for my next video. Until next time, bye.